The 2024 Lexus GX, the latest iteration of the iconic SUV, vows to redefine luxury on and off the road. With its head-turning design and cutting-edge technology, it stands as a powerful symbol of innovation and sophistication. At the forefront is a highly capable and efficient twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine, generating a jaw-dropping 349 horsepower, a solid 50 horsepower more than its predecessor's V8. Not stopping there, the torque output is equally impressive at 479 pound-feet, ensuring every twist of the throttle accelerates. Mated to this powerhouse is a cutting-edge 10-speed direct-shift automatic transmission, channeling the immense power seamlessly to the wheels, resulting in a ride that feels like silk. But it's not just raw power that sets the 2024 GX apart, it's the master of the haul too. With a heightened towing capacity of 8,000 pounds, the Premium Plus and Overtrail trims have what it takes to carry the load with ease. Even the luxury trim impresses, boasting a substantial 6,990 pounds of towing capacity. While basking in this newfound glory, we also catch a glimpse of the future. Lexus has their sights set on electrification, with a hybrid powertrain for the GX planned for a later date. Prepare for a fusion of efficiency and power that will undoubtedly shake up the SUV landscape. This body-on-frame SUV exudes a tough and aggressive aura, embracing its off-road prowess with unwavering confidence. Lexus designers have struck a remarkable balance between the GX's rugged exterior and its serene, luxurious interior. The striking square body profile and a wider track dominate the landscape, while the raised premium triple-beam LED headlights pierce through the darkness. The extended overall width gives the GX a planted stance, demanding attention wherever it roams. And let's not forget about those wheels. The Overtrail grades embrace distinctive 33-inch tires, a surefire sign of the GX's off-road prowess. It's a visual declaration of the SUV's capability to handle any terrain with ease. The rear view is equally captivating, showcasing a square and aggressive stance, anchored by a unified L-shaped light bar that leaves an indelible mark on any observer. To enhance practicality, the 2024 GX is equipped with a standard power rear lift door, adding convenience to its already impressive arsenal. There's a palette of exterior color options to choose from: Nebula Gray Pearl, Atomic Silver, GX First Incognito, and Caviar. You can further personalize your GX, turning heads wherever you rove. The GX is equipped with standard full-time four-wheel drive, but it doesn't stop there. This off-road marvel boasts a Torsen limited-slip center differential, featuring a locking function, delivering optimal traction when it matters the most. The Overtrail grades take it a step further with an electronic locking rear differential, ensuring no obstacle stands in its way. Even when cornering at high speeds, the intelligent Torsen differential flawlessly distributes driving force to the rear wheels, providing controlled performance that instills confidence in the driver. Lexus engineers have fine-tuned the electronic transfer case, resulting in a noticeably faster transition between 4-high and 4-low compared to its predecessor. These ingenious improvements catapult the 2024 GX's off-road capabilities to stratospheric levels. Designed with utmost thoughtfulness, the GX's interior exudes meticulous attention to detail, ensuring every passenger's comfort in its 7-seater configuration. Ergonomic measures take the forefront, boasting improved seat cushions and headrests that enhance driving posture, minimizing fatigue during long hauls. Flexibility is paramount, and the second row offers options for captain's chairs, providing versatile arrangements for passengers and cargo alike. With the convenient one-motion tumble system, accessing the third row or configuring luggage space becomes a breeze. Ample charging ports cater to our tech-driven lives, and increased storage space and improved luggage capacity effortlessly accommodate all your gear and essentials. The heads-up display and standard 14-inch multimedia touchscreen display showcase the advanced Lexus interface technology. Essential physical controls for air conditioning and audio volume remain within easy reach, ensuring intuitive operation while driving. For adventurers keen on conquering off-road terrain, the GX ingeniously places off-road controls near the gear shifter, minimizing distractions and keeping the focus where it matters the most, on the road ahead. Infotainment enthusiasts have a plethora of features at their fingertips. The 2024 GX embraces wireless Apple CarPlay integration and Android Auto compatibility, allowing seamless smartphone integration on the go. Additionally, a digital 12.3-inch multi-information display serves as an indispensable hub of crucial vehicle information. But the audio experience is where the GX truly shines. A 10-speaker premium surround system comes standard, immersing passengers in rich audio bliss. For those seeking the pinnacle of acoustic perfection, there is the option to upgrade to a jaw-dropping 21-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound system. There's also a host of options depending on the grade. This includes features like digital key, cool box, traffic jam assist, and tonneau cover, tailoring the GX to your unique preferences and lifestyle. The all-new 2024 Lexus GX sets a high bar with the inclusion of Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 as a standard offering. This comprehensive suite of advanced driver support technologies combines innovation and vigilance to safeguard every journey. It includes the Lexus Pre-Collision System, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, Lane Tracing Assist, Steering Assist, and Road Sign Assist. In a world where peace of mind is paramount, the 2024 GX stands tall, ready to protect and inspire drivers to embark on every adventure with absolute assurance. The 2024 Lexus GX uses the cutting-edge TNGA F platform, the very same found in the legendary Lexus 600. This game-changing platform breathes new life into the GX, bolstering its strength and shedding unnecessary weight, a recipe for improved handling and a driving experience that defines the essence of the Lexus driving signature. Elevating its capabilities to extraordinary heights, the GX boasts a newly engineered double wishbone front suspension and a multi-link rear suspension, finely balancing exceptional off-road prowess with refined on-road handling. As you grip the wheel, the Adaptive Variable Suspension, or AVS, ensures ultimate control, continuously adapting damping forces to the ever-changing road conditions, offering a silky smooth ride. Electronic Power Steering, or EPS, heightens steering response and feedback, allowing drivers to confidently conquer rugged terrains and effortlessly navigate city streets. These engineering marvels masterfully unite power, agility, and precision. The true magic lies in the unrivaled driving experience it offers. As the engine roars to life, a symphony of power and performance echoes through the cabin, elevating your senses and inviting you to traverse the road with unrivaled confidence. In the realm of large SUVs, fuel efficiency often takes a backseat. However, the 2023 Lexus GX managed to deliver a respectable 15 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon highway. With a shift from a V8 to a twin-turbo V6 in the 2024 model, we anticipate an even better rating, although official figures are yet to be released by Lexus. But where the 2024 Lexus GX truly excels is in its warranty coverage, a testament to the brand's reputation for reliability. As we eagerly await the fuel economy figures for the 2024 GX, there's no denying that this SUV's emphasis on reliability sets it apart. So for those seeking peace of mind and unparalleled warranty coverage, the 2024 Lexus GX is an indisputable champion, ready to elevate your driving experience and redefine the standards of excellence in the large SUV segment. The 2024 Lexus GX is a force to be reckoned with in the SUV market, all while maintaining its competitive edge in pricing. With a starting point of around $60,000, the GX delivers an impressive array of features and off-roading prowess that belies its accessible cost. For those seeking the pinnacle of opulence, the Luxury and Luxury Plus trim levels may command a slightly higher price, hovering around $70,000 and $75,000 respectively. But for the adventurous souls yearning for more, the rugged Overtrail and Overtrail Plus trim options promise unparalleled thrills, albeit at a higher price point. Setting the benchmark for exploration and refinement, the Overtrail option might reach up to $80,000, while the Overtrail Plus option sets a new standard, with an estimated retail price of $85,000. Compared to rivals, the 2024 Lexus GX shines as a beacon of value. The Mercedes-Benz GLE starts at $64,000, while the BMW X5 commands a starting price of $62,000.